Hi, I'm Leah Saunders and I work at NZCER and Assessment Services. I've made some short videos to show you how to navigate through the ARB site. Hopefully these videos are nice and helpful. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do 3 different types of searches in the ARB website. The ARBs are made up of about 2,700 locally designed and curriculum-based resources. Every teacher needs their own account, but students don't need to log in or do anything. It all goes through the teacher's account. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. When you first get into the landing page, you'll see at the top here, there are 3 different types of searching. The first one is just a simple search with a keyword. If I wanted to search for some maths resources and I wanted to look for money, then I could just click search and it would come up with all the resources that we had, which you can see that there's 132 in there. Quite a lot for me to have to search through. Once I'm in here though, I could use these drop-down menus to help me out and refine it a little more. Let's go back to the original page. The second one is the one I used a lot as a teacher, and that's the advanced search. So if I click on that, it gives you a more refined search from the very beginning. So the strand I'm going to choose today is number and algebra. I'm going to choose number strategies. I'm looking for a level 3 curriculum-based activity. When I go down here, I have the option of choosing different types of resources. I could choose one that's auto-marked for me. I could choose one that I could download and give to the students via pencil and paper, or I could use an online one that students need a URL to complete. Now down here, I'm going to type in money, and then you'll see that if there are resources that are connected to that, it'll come up with a list underneath. The other thing you can do is, if you weren't quite sure on what a common word might be, you could browse the common words in here, and this will show you what's relevant in the number strategies area for number and algebra. I am actually going to search for my money one though, and let's go search. So before we had 132 resources, and now we can see that's narrowed down a bit to 24. As I go through the resources, I can see that each one has different icons. The first one here with the tick in it, that tells me that that's auto-marked by the system. When the students complete that, it will be auto-marked. Obviously, this needs to be completed online by the students. This one here, the pencil and paper icon, that means that I could download a PDF and print it out for my students, or I could print it straight from my browser and give it out to my students. So they could, it's like a worksheet, they could put it inside their books, they could hand it in to you. This one here is probably a good one for the moment. It's an online interactive activity for students. So all you need to do is share the URL with the students and they can go in and complete it. Let's go back to the third search, which is this one here, the Browse Curriculum Resources. When I click on this, I can see a number of different tasks via curriculum level, as well as within the objective via the strand. So if I wanted to go to number and algebra and I wanted to go to number strategies, immediately it takes me to that 132 with level 4 or 98 with level 3. I can click on one of those and it takes me in here. Again, it brings you up these drop-down menus that you can refine your search a little bit more. I hope that gives you a bit of an insight as to where to go to search for different types of resources.